Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm excited to share with you 5 essential tips and tricks that will help you achieve better results with your next print. Let's dive right in. Tip number 1. Proper bed leveling. A level bed is crucial for a successful print. Even small imperfections can cause your print to fail. Use a piece of paper or a bed leveling sensor to check distance between the nozzle and the bed. Make sure the bed is level across all corners as well as the center. To level your bed with a piece of paper, slide the paper under the nozzle and adjust the bed screws until you feel a slight resistance. Repeat this process for all corners as well as the center. Tip number 2. Using the right temperature. Printing at optimal temperature for your filament can make a huge difference in print quality. Check the manufacturer's recommendations and do a temperature tower test to find the best setting for your printer and filament. Temperature towers show you how different temperatures affect the print quality. Tip number 3. Optimize your print speed. Finding the right balance between speed and quality is key. Slower speeds generally produce better results, especially for detailed prints. But for larger, less detailed prints, you can increase the speed without sacrificing too much quality. Tip number 4. Proper adhesion techniques. Ensuring your print sticks to the bed is essential to avoid warping and print failures. Use adhesives like glue sticks or specialized 3D printing adhesives, and consider using a brim or raft for better adhesion. Tip number 5. Regular maintenance. Keeping a 3D printer in top shape is crucial for consistent performance. Regularly check for loose screws, clean the nozzle, and lubricate moving parts. A well-maintained printer will produce better prints and have a longer lifespan. And there you have it. 5 essential tips and tricks for your next 3D print. Proper bed leveling, using the right temperature, optimizing your print speed, ensuring good bed adhesion, and regular maintenance will all help you achieve better results. If you found these tips helpful, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more 3D printing tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.